Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about the fourth chapter of CBSE Standard 10 syllabus, and that is carbon and its compound. So when we are studying the full chapter based on carbon, the one question will rise, that is why carbon is very important element in chemistry, such that we have specialized one full branch based on carbon and its compound, and it is named as organic chemistry. Organic chemistry deals with all the carbon compounds and organic compounds. So here this is a base of the organic chemistry, and here in this chapter we will study that how carbon is important, what all are the important compounds of carbon which are very important for us, so that we have given such an importance to carbon. So we will discuss that from here, that why carbon is an important element. First of all, carbon's proportion in environment is 0.02% in the form of carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, coal and petroleum. We can see here this percentage is very less, and then 0.0% carbon is present in terms of carbon dioxide in Earth atmosphere. This percentage are quite low in amount, but carbon will form covalent bond and it will make n number of compounds, and these compounds we are using everywhere in our day-to-day life, as well as in synthetic chemistry, organic chemistry and in large field of organic chemistry. So in food, medicine, clothes, everywhere carbon compounds we are using. And what all are the properties of carbon compounds? Then they are forming the covalent bond. Here in metals and non-metals chapter we have studied the bonding which is formed via transfer of electron, and it is known as ionic bonding. Here we are going to study the covalent bonding. So after this video I am going to make another video which will make you understand that what is covalent bonding and in what all compounds we can see the covalent bonding and how they are sharing of electrons. It is important to understand that how covalent bonding will happen. So here they are covalent compounds. What are the covalent compounds? The compounds formed via sharing of electrons. Those compounds are termed as covalent compounds. They have low melting and boiling point, low force of attraction between the molecules, largely non-conductors of heat and electricity. They are non-conductor, they are very bad conductor of heat and electricity. Bonding do not give rise of ions, and after bonding we will not get ions from that, and that's why they are non-conductor of heat and electricity. All this property we will learn and we will understand when we are studying the bonding of covalent compound. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe. Learn Yourself.